Hello student, there is announcement about our upcoming CSAT Foundation cum Mentorship Batch 1 for Prelims 2026. So we are starting this batch on 4th June 2025. Timing for this batch is 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Okay, so it will be live, and for online and hybrid students, so we will have live streaming, and offline student they can come in our class. Now here, let me brief you about the course feature. Okay, like what we have done in last 3-4 years, we have evolved our course. We have added on so many features. So it is a complete package. You have around 50 classes where we have full syllabus coverage. I will tell you the short trick, which is very important, because in CSAT paper time is very important, because in 2 hours we have to maximize our score and we have to qualify this CSAT. So where your short trick is going to play very important role. See what happened, like what we have our class duration is 1 hour 45 minutes to 1 hour 50 minutes, where we deliver the class lecture. After that we have class test. So you will have regular class test. So this test will be on the same topic. Okay, like for example, on any particular day I'm teaching you percentage. So related to percentage, you will get a class test having 5, 7, 8 questions. We give you 10 minutes and we will conduct this in the class itself. Okay, for offline as well as for online students. And after that test, there will be 15 to 30 minute doubt session in every class. So doubt will not be a problem. Every class we have a dedicated doubt session after this test. We will provide you class handout, home assignment, PYQs. Okay. Plus your test series is included in this course. It is a part of this course where you will have 18 tests, where we have 10 sectional, 8 full length tests, and which is good number. You will get detailed video explanation. You get explanation in hard copy for offline student, PDF for online student, and you get detailed video explanation of each and every question of this test series. We maintain your progress report. Okay, कि कैसा चल रहा है आपका, like topic wise, test wise, and through Google form we maintain your progress report. And we provide you 1500 extra question for your practice, which are going to be on latest patterns, especially on number system, where in market material is not available, statement based question, data sufficiency question. So we provide you extra question for your practice. Now next is, this time we have add on some extra feature so that your CSAT preparation goes smoothly. So CSAT will not create any trouble for you. So this time we have introduced weekly test. Okay. So on weekly coverage, we have one weekly test, may have 40 question. Okay, 1 hour we will give for 30 to 40 question, and then there will be a doubt session or detailed explanation of questions of that weekly test. So that weekly we can make a revision of our classes. Now next thing is, weekly there will be one extra session specially on PYQ related to the topic which we are going to cover in that week. I will take weekly one extra session specially on PYQ, plus weekly one mentorship session with your mentor. Okay, and every 15 days I will take one mentorship session where you can discuss your strategy with me. We can work on your weak areas. We can work on, like here, how to proceed or kya karna chahiye, and your doubts also. So here we will have every 15 days I will take one mentorship session. Every week your mentor will take your mentorship session. Plus English PYQ discussion will be taken by English faculty. Plus you will have 10 to 12 theme based lecture. These are going to be score booster. These lecture are on latest pattern trend, and here this lecture will help you to increase your score by 15-20 marks. And here from last 3 years we have seen wonderful result from this theme based lectures. Okay, so we will change this time. We will add on some extra things in this theme based lecture. Every year we change this theme based lecture. So we will add some extra points. we will see based on 2025 prelims, अगर कुछ trend में change नजर आएगा, we will cover through this theme based lecture. This time we will provide hard copy of class assignment to online students as well. ऑफलाइन और हाइब्रिड स्टूडेंट को तो हम हार्ड कॉपी प्रोवाइड करते ही करते हैं, तो दिस टाइम ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स को भी वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड हार्ड कॉपी ऑफ क्लास असाइनमेंट्स. ठीक है, वी विल प्रोवाइड यू पीडीएफ ऑल्सो. ठीक है, क्या बता आपका पार्सल पहुंचने में 2-3 दिन लग जाएंगे, तो वी विल प्रोवाइड यू पीडीएफ एंड वी विल कोरियर यू हार्ड कॉपी ऑफ क्लास असाइनमेंट ऑल्सो फॉर बेटर लर्निंग. नाउ हियर दिस एड ऑन फीचर क्लासेस, other classes will be on portal, but this add-on feature classes will be on Zoom. Okay, and here for a better engagement, for a better presence, so what we will do, we are not going to provide you recording of these Zoom sessions, because I have seen when we provide recording, students, they are not that much attentive. They see later on, they will see these lectures. So here we will not provide recording of this add-on feature. So here these are going to be game changer for this year prelims. So here you take care of this point. It will be on Zoom and we will not provide a recording of this add-on feature. And see weekly test. See here weekly 1 extra session, especially on PYQ, which are going to be value addition. Weekly 1 mentorship session, every 15 days 1 session with me, score booster lecture, PYQ discussion with English faculty. Now finally we come to the point of fees. So for this time we kept the fees same. Next batch definitely we will increase the fees. For online student, fees is 12,500. For offline student it is 14,500. Hybrid student 16,000. Okay, all inclusive GST, no hidden charges, no registration charges, no extra charges. These are all inclusive. So here these lectures, add-on features will be on Zoom. We will not provide a recording. Okay, and these features, these classes, we will provide you access of recording for online and hybrid student, and you will have access of recording till your prelims. And for a lecture you will have a view time 5 hour. 5 hour view time will be there. Like for example, there is a lecture on percentage. Okay, you can attend live plus 5 hour view time. 5 hour view time is if you see half an hour of that lecture, so it means your pending time for that particular lecture will be 4.5 hours. So total cumulative time for one lecture or view time for one lecture will be 5 hours, and access for this recording of this 50 classes till your prelims 2026. इनका आपको access prelims 2026 तक मिलेगा recording का. And for online and hybrid students, offline को हम कोई recording का access नहीं देते. So here, if you think this course is for you, will help you, and if you are interested in this course, you can call on our reception number 8826619699, or you can visit our website IAS SETU .com. Thank you, students.